How to install Windows 10 on the HP ProDesk for 100. My specific version is the G1, but I upgraded to 8 GB of RAM. Your PC might be password locked, so do this. First, unplug. Then you may have a blue or green cap. It should say PSWD. Go ahead and remove that. Then hold this yellow button for 20 seconds. Now remove this CMOS battery, like so. Then remove the battery. Leave battery out for 2 minutes. Then slot back in. Now you can put the plug back in. Now put a USB stick in the PC. After putting stick in, you would need to search Microsoft Windows 10 install. Then download Windows 10 installation media. Save to downloads for ease. Then once download complete, open file and the setup will start. Agree to the terms. Now press USB flash drive. Also, you want Windows 10 Pro 64-bit and USB flash drive, which will install on your USB SD card or stick. USB drive will show up. Now you press next and the download will complete. Open File Explorer, USB stick and press eject. You can now remove the stick. select I don't have a product key. Like I said, Windows 10 Pro. Accept all the terms. Custom Windows only. Delete all current data. Select main drive and press next. Select your region and keyboard layout. For now I will select no internet, but I will add Ethernet later. You don't need any of this. Put any name. And password. All of this you can press no to. Now your Windows 10 is ready to enjoy.